Hold on. Go ahead. Yeah, you ain't got nothing. You washed up. Simmons is old. You ain't shit!
Southboard with this shit. Gang shit, bitch. Nah, get your motherfucking ass out my camera right motherfucking now. Gang shit, bitch. Fuck up. Hey, man, we out here live in the... Why is you on the block? Why you on the block so late, man? You supposed to be in the house, man. Why you on the block? Why is you on the block, man? Come on, man. You gotta go in the house.
You don't even know.
Bitch. Okay, yeah. Okay. Yeah, bitch. We NYC with this shit. What's up? Walk that bitch. Walk that bitch. Yes, sir. All that gang shit, bitch. Walk that bitch. Get that hoe. Yeah. Yeah. Okay. NYC with this shit, bitch. Wait for something. Okay. Shit. Pop your shit. Yeah. Okay. Pop your shit. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. Boy, you hear me? Yeah. Gang shit, bitch. Okay. Yeah. Yes, sir. Time me for shit be wearing her NYC with this shit. Pop your shit. Yeah. Gang shit, bitch. Wait, NYC with this shit. Fuck you talking about, bitch? There's a fuck going on, man. Hey, look, we up all night. Put up on me, you got dirt bike. Come on, get on the town with us. Yeah, bitch. Hey, so I apologize for my last post. My last couple postings I just post. I said I was in NYC. I'm in fucking New Jersey. Hey, New Jersey live as a motherfucker. I can't even lie. These bitches out. All top bikes. I can't even lie. On gang.
Yeah, I'm right here.
It does on your Airbnb description. It says four and a couch. So that's 5. You have it on your Airbnb description.
Which monkey's gonna stay on the couch?
Which monkey's gonna stay on the couch?
No.
It does on your Airbnb description. It says 4 and a couch. So that's 5. You have it on your Airbnb description.
Which monkey's gonna stay on the couch?
Which monkey's gonna stay on the couch?